Top of the morning to you people, and welcome back to 876 and chill. It has been a while since I've given you a video, so sit back and stay tuned for this epic outdoor video. Alright people, so I'm not gonna tell no lie, the road for come up at this place here is bad, but as you can see, it is so beautiful. The cost to get in is $1,000. It did worth it. You all will see. So at this point we're just at the gate and we're waiting on them to count off the persons in the car so that we can pay to go in. So you see everywhere on the property green and nice. Oh god man.
Wagwan peeps, welcome back to 876 and chill. You don't know it's the original island girl, and today we're at Eden Beauty in Ocho, Rios. Yeah, you know, we're gonna show you around the place. Place nice, but lots of green trees. The water look nice. I'm gonna taste it out now. I'm not sure if it's too cold. We're not gonna hear about it. See you on the other side.
Alright people, so we're here and we're going to get changed and get the day started. So why film face look so? What all unconcerned and unaware. Why am looking at me like that? I'm so embarrassed sometimes still. So yeah guys, look at all these green trees. The property is full of fruit trees. There's a breadfruit tree, orange trees, there's coconut trees, almond trees, apple trees. Okay guys, so when we got there, Romain decided that he wanted to be the first one to test out the water. And in original fashion, Monkey see, Monkey do, his friends wanted to join in. So now they're contemplating, thinking about it, testing each other's height to see who could touch the bottom of the water. At this point it was Jermaine's like 5th jump into the water, so I guess he was exhausted. Now it's Jermaine's time. Wait for it. Woo! And then there was this fellow. Come, let's take a walk with us to explore the other parts of the property.
In this beautiful place. Oh, they sent me. Send me about that door. Over there. Ocho Rios. Exactly. That me I tell you, I sent me about over there. I sent me about over there, man. No, see, I sent me about.
Along with the beautiful fruit trees, the river edge is lined with plenty of bamboos. There are 2 dogs, a swing, a seesaw, plenty of picnic benches, and an area for you to cook.
It's picture perfect.
Hidden Beauty is ideal for a family fun-filled day. You can have a picnic, you can come out and cook. There's a big play field, and there's also lots of space for the kids to run around. You might be wondering, how do you get to this magical place? Well, I'm here to tell you. Drive past Blue Hole and Island Gully Fall in the hills just outside of Ocho Rios. Continue along the road. SUV or large vehicles are recommended until you observe a sign marked Hidden Beauty, and you'll be there. I hope you enjoyed the relaxing sounds of the White River as much as I did. How could I have forgotten to mention all the hens and roosters on the property? They were so fun to watch them run around. Oh, and this is the kitchen area, by the way. It started to rain, so it was time to go. See you on the next adventure. Bye!